So hey guys, welcome back to MUSC Red Devils NCR. First of all, congratulations to Sagar भाई, फाउंडर मेंबर थे आप
थैंक
वन
यू
ऑफ द
भाई।
और अब हम फाइनली ऑफिशियल हो
थैंक
चुके
यू।
हैं. तो
आपको भी भाई, कंग्रेट्स।
आज का टॉपिक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक से आने के बाद एंटरटेनिंग टॉपिक ये है कि यूनाइटेड वर्सेस वॉटफोर्ड. बिकॉज ये गेम काफी चीजें होल्ड करता है. स्पेशली वॉटफोर्ड इज नॉट एट आर लेवल, बट अगर इस टाइम पर देखें तो दे आर एट आर लेवल recent forms के हिसाब से. But this game can really bring back the confidence in the team. So my first question to Kushagra you. अभी हम लोगों ने recently formation change करी है. We are playing back 3 या back 5 जो भी आप कहना चाहते हो. So against Watford do you think हम same formation के साथ करेंगे?
भाई, I don't think frankly that we should, because Watford, even though recent form हमारा अच्छा नहीं रहा, but they are 17th in the league. And I think Ole resorted to back five against teams like Liverpool because वहाँ पे हमें थोड़ा सा डर था that they might attack us. But even I think Watford can attack us, but I think we should go with our traditional back four. Harry Maguire has recently had an amazing run with England, so I think Harry Maguire will be quite confident. Alongside, देखना पड़ेगा. I don't think Rafael Varane is just fit now,
No, he's not
so I
fit.
think Lindelof आएगा. Yeah, because I don't think Eric Bailly after the red card. I think he's not available now.
No, Eric Bailly didn't get a red card. He got
Sorry.
a own goal.
ओन गोल, सॉरी
Own
सॉरी
goal था.
या
Yeah.
हाँ, सो
He's
आई थिंक उसकी
available,
वजह से ओले. हाँ, बट
but
आई
I
थिंक
think
उनको की वजह से
Lindelof.
ओले या ओले माइट नॉट गो फॉर हिम. सो आई थिंक वी शुड गो फॉर अ बैकअप, बट आई एम हियरिंग लूक शॉ इज आउट, सो एलेक्स टेलेस आएगा.
Yeah, but we have a history of rushing our players back. जो recently हमने काफी देखा है. तो would you prefer Telles or Luke Shaw?
Yeah, frankly, I would like to see Alex Telles also have a run of games. Plus, with CR7, we don't put in enough, balls in the box. अगर Alex Telles आते, we have a good left footer जो उसे अच्छे से डाले crosses. So I mean, either works, but I hope कि Alex Telles को एक start मिले.
Okay, so my next question is to our guest who is joining us from Mumbai. So main question, सबसे बड़ा question, who are going to be midfielders? हमारे midfielders कौन होने वाले हैं इस गेम में? क्या लगता है? We are hearing reports कि वैन डे वीक को पुश करा जा रहा है. We are very impressed with him training, but वो तो week in week out आती है. And McTominay is injured, जहाँ तक हमें पता है. He pulled out of Scotland squad.
To be very honest, our entire midfield depends upon whether we play with a back three or a back four, back three or back five, whatever we call it.
Back five.
If you are going ahead, I think they'll be switching back to a back four right now because of the injury crisis. And there are reports of Donny starting, which I don't really trust, even if it's from a reliable source, the Athletic, because we know our manager's relations. And although it's Watford, it's a team which presses a lot. So you need a ball winner over there. So someone like Fred. Yeah, like we need Fred against a team which actually presses.
But don't you think with Pogba out for 2 months, there is no scene that Pogba is coming this year back in our squad. So don't you think कि धोनी को अब चांस मिल जाना चाहिए? Because we are not seeing अब क्योंकि चैंपियंस लीग गेम्स भी होंगे और हर गेम होगा. अगर अब धोनी को चांस नहीं मिला, he's definitely leaving in January.
True. I don't think since last year Donny should have gotten a chance, but what we think doesn't happen at this club. We've seen that in the past few years. Whatever we think is a rational football decision isn't something that happens over there. So seeing from a more realistic point of view, not getting our hopes up, I think it's going to be a Fred Matic double pivot with Matic giving cover because we don't have Varane as well. So you need to be a little more defensive minded against a team which is going to press. And Watford aren't going to be afraid to come at us because they've got nothing to lose. It's for these teams, it's just a if they score, they score. If they don't, they don't. It's that kind of mode. They don't have to get points. No one expects them to get points against us. So they want to be fearless. We are the ones on the back foot right now. Ole's job is on fire. So I see him going with a little more defensive mindset when it comes to your midfield. We'll be having only 3 people who press and Ronaldo ahead. Fred, Matic are going to be shielding the entire defense. And you're going to be having Bruno ahead. And then you'll be having our wingers.
When we talk about Watford, the big topic is Ranieri. I remember a game Manchester United was in Leicester City where we were 3-1 up and we lost 3-5 in that game. That was Claudio Ranieri's Leicester City. अब वही क्लॉडियो राइनरी की वॉटफोर्ड है. The Leicester City of that time was at the same stature. So he's going to come all guns firing. मतलब उसको किसी बात का डर नहीं है. He's going to come with Sarr from right wing क्योंकि उसे पता है even if it's Luke Shaw is not in good form. Luke Shaw Maguire का लिंक अप नहीं हो रहा है उतना अच्छा यूनाइटेड के लिए. If Telles होता है तो वो out of match practice है right now. So I think Sarr is going to tear our defense apart. That's a big question mark कि वहाँ पे उसको कैसे ब्लॉक किया जाएगा. तो उसकी वजह से आई ऑल्सो फील कि वैन डी बीक वोंट गेट अ चांस क्योंकि उसके लिए उन्हें मैटिक रखना पड़ेगा. बट अगेन कमिंग टू वॉटफोर्ड फॉर्म, वो पिछले 5 में से एक ही गेम जीते हैं अपनी प्रीमियर लीग में, वेयर एज वी हैव वन 2-1 लॉस 2-1 ड्रॉ 1. तो मतलब मेरे लिए तो ये फॉर्म बहुत ही बेकार है यूनाइटेड की, और वॉटफोर्ड के लिए भी एक तरह से फॉर्म बेकार ही है. बट अगेन जोशुआ किंग, डेनिस एंड सार, क्या लगता है how is our defense going to handle these 3 players?
See, when it comes to these people, when it comes to all of these people, they are, again, as you said, they want to be fearless. They want to come at us, but they want nothing to lose. The defensive formation and a shielding midfield pair is the only thing which can hope to stop them with. They want to take shots at us. Telles, even if he's out of match practice, his defensive abilities weren't that great at Porto and all. Also, he played in the back 3, so he's given that little extra room to attack. And here now there is Maguire, and out of for Maguire. See, Maguire for England is different. All our players for national team are different. For our United, they are different. So Maguire, forget his national team form when it comes to this. He's again with Lindelof. He doesn't have John Stones. He doesn't have Tyrone Mings. He has no one. Behind him, there's De Gea, who, although he has been in good form this season, but if you see, he has created a lot of error-prone situations for the team because he's not vocal enough. So Telles over there is going to be susceptible to a lot of attacking runs. Aaron Wan-Bissaka's positioning has been awful this season. Lindelof, he just comes to roam around on the pitch, and Maguire is again lost. So I expect Watford to score at least 2 goals against us tomorrow.
So, matlab, in short, it's going to be an interesting match. It's not going to be an easy win for us.
Interesting or depressing can be used as synonyms in this case for us.
Yeah, matlab, it's just going to be another game week, a depressing game week, ऐसा आप लोग कह रहे हो. So now अभी हमने फॉर्म की बात करी, बट एक प्लेयर जो अभी हमने बात जिस पे नहीं करी, इसमें करना चाहता हूँ, वो जोशुआ किंग. It has been a history. वेल बैक देख लो, कोई भी देख लो, हमारे अगेंस्ट आके हमारे फॉर्मर प्लेयर्स स्कोर करते ही करते हैं. तो वो क्या जोशुआ किंग, डू यू थिंक जोशुआ किंग विल स्कोर अगेंस्ट यूनाइटेड?
I think 2 seasons back we were also we were into re-sign him and bring back to Old Trafford, but I'm really glad that didn't happen. Joshua King is
we bought Igalo.
And
we bought Igalo,
well, yeah. But he did well, Igalo. I mean, he was only here for like 6 months and all, but I think he was okay. But the reason why I say that I'm happy that we didn't get Joshua King is because Joshua King is an average player. अगर आप देखोगे वो एक दो उसके अचानक से कुछ आ जाते हैं like the moments of brilliance, but overall I don't feel that he is a player which would have done well at United. But nonetheless, coming back to the Watford game, I think Watford की टीम में काफी ज़्यादा पेस है अगर आप देखोगे सार को, and we'll have to be on our toes at all times. But I think Ole का भी थोड़ा like जो confidence it has taken up a hit, so the opponents they will like obviously see कि हम उस पे करें capitalize. More than that, I would want that we start Jadon Sancho and Marcus Rashford along with CR7 because it's high time कि ये दो बंदे जो हमारे proper wingers हैं, आप ग्रीनवुड को खिलाते रहोगे right wing पे, तो सैंचो आपने क्यों लिया था? तो
that is a topic for a different day only. इस पे एक पूरी वीडियो बनेगी.
But I think it's high time कि सैंचो starts. बेचारा सैंचो इंग्लैंड स्क्वाड से भी बाहर हो गया. डॉनी वैन डे बीक का भी सेम हाल है. But Donny, I'm not sure if he's going to start. I think he should because Scott McTominay is out, Paul Pogba is out. अगर अब नहीं करेगा तो I don't know Ole.
I feel we are going to see Matic VDBs pivot. I have a feeling.
Yeah, I'm really happy with that. क्योंकि I remember they both played against Everton in our even against Everton in अरे उसमें कह रहा हूँ मैं bro. जो हमारा वो हुआ था प्री सीजन गेम, उसमें they both
Yeah.
played against Everton and they did quite well. But let's see. I hope Donny and Sancho they both get a start.
Yeah. Plus Sancho again coming back to the right wing. Arshit Kohli, what do you think? High time for Jadon Sancho to start, or is it going to be Greenwood?
To be honest, I would actually like to see Greenwood, Sancho, and Rashi front three with Greenwood to the center get on Ronaldo after the 60th minute because he doesn't press. So that just gives more work for Bruno. And Ronaldo is a guy who can come on in the second half and score a hat trick. He's that kind of guy. Okay.
Yeah. Plus
So you might as
Watford
well
will
have a pacey front three against a
Yeah.
team like Watford, who have a back four again. They'll mostly go with a cam against us. They won't have a DM. They play a 4-4-1-1. The cam is almost like a second striker. You have Sancho because he deserves a start, according to me. He played well whenever he came on. His link up with Donny was also pretty good. They both had good runs. They created space for them. So I'd actually go with Sancho starting, which again seemed like a gamble from thinking like Ole can do that. I think it's going to be, from Ole's point of view, it's going to be Rashi, Bruno, and Greenwood.
Yeah, but just to add, I think since we all know Ole, I don't think he's ever going to drop CR7, especially after the international break. So I don't see CR7 getting dropped.
Yeah, same. CR7 getting dropped will be. I don't know. I personally feel he should be, because this is a game meant for Greenwood to start. But again, I don't think CR7 is going to be.
हाँ तो by
dropped
Greenwood भी start करेगा ना, but he will be the right winger.
Yeah, he'll be in the right
start
winger.
करेगा.
Well, that's the point. Sancho फिर वही अपना
for me,
80th minute में सब होके आ गया.
Yeah. For me, it can be either Cavani or Greenwood starting because both of them press like mad.
But
Cavani
is not there. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
In an ideal lineup, I would have Cavani or someone like Cavani or Mason starting.
So, okay, moving on to the final section of this video. Predictions, guys. I personally feel I'm going to go all in. I'm going 4-0 United. I'm keeping a clean sheet as well. I'm going all in 4-0 United.
My prediction is that no way we're going to keep a clean sheet. I don't see it happening. Since it's an away game, I'll go for 1-3 to United.
I want to be close to Kushagra. I'm going 3-2 United. 3-2 to United.
Okay,
I'm seeing a Joshua King brace against us.
Yeah, Cristiano Ronaldo scoring the final goal in the last
second half hat trick, which I spoke about.
And I think Kal Marcus Rashford will be the game changer for us. I can see it happening.
Yeah, if he comes on before 80 minutes, he can definitely be.
I think he's gonna start.
Yeah, even I think he'll start. He has to start.
Yeah. You never know what's Ole gonna do. First of all, for him to start, you have to play 4-2-3-1. If you are playing back five, everything goes out of contention. Then he'll go.
I don't think Kal back five. So I don't see it happening. Kal back five.
There are not enough defenders to play back five now.
हाँ कोई है ही नहीं भाई. If you're gonna play Phil Jones, तो अलग बात है.
We can rush back players. Hello guys, thank you. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on our Instagram page. We are now an official Manchester United fan club. Supporters. So not a fan club anymore. We are officially Manchester United supporters. Still getting sort of that because 2 साल से हम यही बोल रहे हैं. Finally, things are getting their place. अब हमें देखते हैं United भी थोड़ा इतना structured हो जाए तो. So
I hope हमारे supporters club बनने से हमारा जो club का form है वो भी अच्छा हो जाए.
Bro, I've got the jersey. You see the turnaround now. 4-0.
Treble season.
By treble season, bro.
Treble season. Yeah. Sure. Thanks for having me.